Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to install WordPress WordPress for a website, okay, from direct admin. So this is the dashboard of my direct admin, and there are actually different ways to install WordPress. So today we are going to learn two ways to install the WordPress for a website. Okay, so the first way is very simple, like in every modern cPanel, so like control panel, cPanel, or this web admin, edge panel, or different cPanels. Okay, they have this WordPress manager installed. You can see this is the WordPress manager. With this, we can easily install a WordPress instance for our website. So in the previous video, you might have seen that I have created a subdomain. This is the subdomain where we will install our WordPress instance. So I will be using this Softaculous Auto Installer to install a WordPress. In all major panels, admin panels, you will get this. So let me click on install. So there are different packages which we can install. So today we are going to install the WordPress. Okay, so click on install. So I will select the domain where I am going to install it. So it is the Figma EmberCodes.com, and I don't want any directory. So whenever we just press the URL here, then the WordPress will be shown. Okay, so that's it. And then there are few settings. I will leave them by default, and the password, I will give the password to admin. Don't worry, I will be removing this instance. I will give the email to info@embercodes.com. I don't want anything, and I will just click on install. So it will take a minute or two, yes, to install the WordPress instance. So let it finish. So the instance is completed. Now if I reload this, you will see the WordPress is installed successfully. So let me log into the dashboard. Admin. Okay, so the password is admin, admin. So you can see it's very easy and simple to install a WordPress from this Softaculous software installer. Okay, so this is the one way of doing it, but we will also do in a traditional way by creating a database and installing the WordPress. Now we are going to install a WordPress to our subdomain. You can see now I have deleted that previous instance, and we are going to install a WordPress in a traditional manner. Okay, so for that we need to first download the WordPress. So we will go to wordpress.org, and we will click on get WordPress. Okay, so we will download the latest version. So now you can see I have downloaded the WordPress from this. You have seen it, and now I have downloaded as well as I have uploaded the zip folder in my directory. This is the domain, subdomain, and in the public directory I have uploaded the WordPress folder. Okay, so I will do what? I will just extract it into the folders. So bear with me. So in my public folder I want to extract the WordPress. Okay, so let me click on extract. It is extracted, and I will move these files, because you can see the domain is directly linked to this public HTML. If I leave that as it is, so the domain would be like WordPress, then I will be able to visit my site, but I don't want that. I want to be directly hitting with my domain, right? So I will do what? I will just move all the files outside. So I will select all the files from the default WordPress directory and then copy or move. So I will be moving those files to our public HTML, public file HTML. Okay, so I will click on move. So let me go back, and I will remove these folders. Like this is the folder, and the zip one, this one. So I will remove those folders because they are we don't need those now. And if I load this, you will see a WordPress installer is loaded. It will ask for the name, the language first of all, and then after that it will ask for the database configurations. So before we proceed with the installation, let's create the database for this WordPress instance. Okay, so now we are going to create the database, sorry. So let me click on the database, and then here we see the database, we database and the create thing. Okay, so I will be creating a database name this sigma, and I will randomly generate a password for the database. Copy that, and then I will create. So these are the details. I will copy them. Obviously I will delete those, don't worry about it. So let me open the notepad. So our database is created. Now we will use this information to connect to our WordPress. So this is the installation setup or wizard from WordPress. So whenever we just put the files, it will automatically show us the WordPress instance, WordPress installation guide. So first we need to select our language. So I am good with English, so I will continue. And then it says before we proceed, we should have a database name, we have a username and the host. All the things are pre-configured. So let us go and also the database name I will be copying from here. So the database name is this. So let me paste it. The username is also this. The password is this. The long password. It's very compulsory for you to put a strong password for the database, or else your website. So this is the table prefix. What does that mean? Like whenever you install any WordPress, so every table will start with this, like WP GT. So it is up to you whatever you are going to do. So I am going to name it like WP test. So every table will start with this. So if I submit, you will get a option to run installation now. So it has connected, it has and the WordPress has known that the database is correct and the credentials are correct. Now it's asking us to run an installation. So when we click on run an installation, so it will ask for the title for the WordPress we are going. So for now I will just put WordPress. Username I will just give it admin, and the password I will be giving as admin for confirm unique password, and email will be info. I will discourage it for social engines for indexing the site. So let me install. You can see it is installed successfully, and let me continue. And then you can see we are in the dashboard of WordPress. So but obvious, I will be removing this WordPress instance